Hey JavaScript enthusiasts! Get ready to unravel one of functional programming's coolest concepts, currying. This powerful technique isn't just a fancy word, it's a way to transform your functions, making them more flexible, reusable, and composable. You'll find it incredibly useful when building highly configurable systems or creating specialized utility functions that adapt to different contexts. At its core, currying takes a function that normally accepts multiple arguments all at once and breaks it down into a sequence of functions, where each successive function takes just one argument. Think of it like a chain reaction. You call the first function with its argument, and it doesn't return the final result, but rather another function. This new function then awaits the next argument, and so on, until all arguments have been provided, at which point the final computation is performed. Each intermediary function cleverly maintains access to the arguments it received through closures, patiently waiting for the full set of inputs to complete the task. You can use this. You'll often see currying applied when creating configurable logging utilities, where you might preset the log level. It's fantastic for event handlers that need some initial configuration, or for building highly specialized validators for forms by partially applying validation rules. Currying also shines in functional composition, allowing you to easily combine smaller, focused functions into more complex ones. Let me walk you through the code. First, we define multiply, a curried function that takes argument a. It returns a new function for b, which in turn returns another for c. Only after receiving all arguments sequentially, the final product a*b*c is computed. Then, we call multiplyWyTwo for a. This returns a new function, preset with 2. We assign this partially applied function to multiplyByTwo, awaiting the next argument b. Then, we invoke multiplyByTwo, passing 3 for b. This action returns yet another function, now specialized with both 2 and 3. This new function is assigned to multiplyByTwoAndThree. Then, we call multiplyByTwoAndThree, providing 4 for c. All arguments are now present. The innermost function executes the multiplication 2*3*4, and its computed value is stored in result. Then, we use console.log to display the value of our result variable. This method prints the final computed output from our curried function to the console. Finally, this output shows 24, confirming that our curried multiply function successfully processed all arguments sequentially. Each step contributed to the final product of 2*3*4. And there you have it, the magic of currying in JavaScript. It's a fantastic tool for writing more adaptable and declarative code. What other advanced JavaScript topics would you like me to demystify next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.